Hi. So, if you're suffering from social anxiety disorder, public speaking fear, or general anxiety disorder, in general anxiety, then watch the video. I have watched the 2 hours and 30 minutes podcast. Dr. Andrew Huberman, he is a PhD doctor, but you don't have to watch the whole podcast. I went to a place and I'll show you in the next video. If you have this problem and you know how you feel, right? So, just watch the video, it's super helpful. So, I came here to Old Diorama Center, yes. So, it's a public speaking place. There is a course here. So, I got the marketing offer for it from the Facebook. So it's something where people come and practice their public speaking goals. So it was a course for £400, but that's not important. The important thing is that the people that have social anxiety and public speaking fears, it's a practice for them in their daily life. That's what I have heard from some scientist. His name is Dr. Huberman. He's a PhD scientist. So he had a four technique principle for this. The first principle is simple. So it's like extinction process, right? So the problem that you have, you talk about it a number of times that it actually becomes a boring story. So that's why I'm here. I'm talking about it, that I have this problem, so it actually becomes a boring story. The second step is simple, that you have a vision of good things. Okay, when I go this place, I'll have some good energy. Yes, I'll do something good. It will be better like this. That is having a positive vision of it. The third step is difficult, but it's like a small action. That's why I'm here. That is like the most important thing, but it's a small courage from within you, taking the first step. That is the action process. I'll remember this way. That is the small step, right? I took the step, that I'm here now. I was in front of a number of people. I did what I had to do. Now I will remember the positive thing about it, the moment when I sat back on the seat and I remembered, okay, I did well. So that step, when you felt well, I have to remember it and attach it to the positive outcome and remember it for the next phase of my life. Thank you so much.